The films are made here, and come and see our new movie, and it's good to see everybody in the movie theater. I guess this is not a movie theater. Whatever it is, it's beautiful, and it's good to see everybody. So, we're gonna show movies and hang out and watch movies and play music. You're gonna play music with us? Rock and roll, we're gonna do it all right? And again, thank you so much. I'm really happy to be back here. Okay?
A na otvaranju Beldoksa vidjet ćemo jedan više nego zanimljiv dokumentarno crtani film o našoj istoriji. Posljednja avantura Kaktus Bate.